What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can enable Heikin Ashi candles in TradingView. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. It's completely free and it really helps out the channel. So this is how you get Heikin Ashi candles in TradingView. So in the past you would need to download an indicator like this one, let's say, which would just overlay the Heikin Ashi candles over your usual candles. But TradingView recently had an update in which they automatically added Heikin Ashi candles as a default candle right here. So we have usual candles, the line chart, and Heikin Ashi candles. So to enable them, just simply click this Heikin Ashi icon right here. And as you can see, your candles will change form. So that's how you can enable the Heikin Ashi candles in TradingView using their automatic Heikin Ashi candles right here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, don't forget to check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.